Hey there, pet owners. If you're tired of struggling with pet hair on your car interior, furniture, or carpets, then you need to check out the Analan Mini Pet Hair Remover. This innovative triangle pet hair remover is a game changer when it comes to tackling stubborn pet fur. With 10x faster and more efficient hair removal, the Analan Mini Pet Hair Remover makes the task a breeze. Its superior efficiency and unmatched durability set it apart from other pet hair removers on the market. Plus, the triangular design allows for effortless hair gathering from all angles, making it incredibly versatile. But don't just take our word for it. Join the growing community of satisfied pet owners who have praised the effectiveness of Analan. The power of social proof is undeniable, and countless customers have shared their success stories across various platforms. What's more, the Analan Mini Pet Hair Remover is eco-friendly and easy to clean, so you can reduce waste while keeping your surroundings fur-free. It's designed for reusability, ensuring long-lasting performance and sustainability. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to stubbornly trapped fur and hello to hassle-free pet hair removal, then click the link in the description to get your very own Analan Mini Pet Hair Remover. Don't wait any longer, make your life easier and your surroundings fur-free today.